Dear students, Namaste all. You are welcome to VT section of Purnapurna Education Center. In the previous practical, the same practical number 1, I discussed about the single phase AC graph, its graph, how it looks in the cathode ray oscilloscope instrument, and the three phase AC means after few minutes the second wave starts. Those waves are called as sine waves. Now let us see the DC wave and the digital waveforms. Totally these all are DC waves only. Children, one thing you keep in your mind, DC will not go negative, means it won't flow reverse way. It is from positive to zero, only unidirectional flow of current. Let me start here. This is a simple DC waveform. I have taken here the voltage on y-axis, the time on x-axis. The scale will be x-axis, one division equals to 1 hour. Each division is of 1 hour. And y-axis, one division equals to 2 volts. You can change, if you know the graph thoroughly, you can change these parameters. Line A, line B. Here I have drawn here line A parallel to the time line, that is x-axis. What it indicates, you have to know thoroughly. That is, if I take 2 volts battery and if I use for a device like a wall clock, it never ends in time or days. It takes a long time. Means, for example, it is 1.5 volts battery, should be 1.5. I have written here 2. 1.5 volts battery. If we put into a wall clock, it never ends in hours or days. It will end after 1 hour or 1.5. Sorry, 1 year or 1.5 year. This is the meaning of this line parallel to line A parallel to x-axis. That is why I have shown infinity hours in infinite hours. How many hours? In 1 year we don't know. That is why let us take as infinite hours. The line B indicates that the 5 volts battery, that is your mobile phone works on 5 volts. 5 volts battery or mobile phone or 5 volts battery, if it is used continuously, the battery will exhaust after 8 hours. The battery voltage comes down to 0 after 8 hours, gradually decrease. You have to recharge once again after 8 hours. This is the meaning of DC waveform. If you are asked to draw the DC graph, you should understand this and the scale, then you can draw the DC graph. It is very simple. Now let us come to digital waveforms. This is known as the square waveform, the sawtooth waveform, then the triangular waveform. One more is there, that is the rectangular waveforms. These are basic three, there is a 4 forms of digital waves. You should know how it is, what it is, what is the meaning of this. It means the 5 volts, at 5 volt it is on time scale, 5 for 1 second there is 5 volts on, then off for 1 second off, same 5 volts. All the some digital devices work on 5 volts, some on 12 volts. The meaning is at 5 volts it is on, after 5 volts, after 1 minute it is off. 1 minute on, 1 minute off of 5 volts digital wave. Okay, it is 5 volts for 1 minute it is on, 1 minute off, 1 minute on, 1 minute off. The difference between these two, it is suddenly on, suddenly drop, suddenly on, then stays for 1 minute, stays for 1 minute, and suddenly it drops. For 1 minute it will be off, then suddenly it will be on for 1 minute, and suddenly it comes to zero. That is off condition. On, off, on, off, on, off. The next one is gradually increases to 5 volts, goes to 5 volts, suddenly drop. Gradually increases. If it reaches at 5 volts, it drops down to 0. Suddenly, gradually increases, suddenly drops. Gradually increases, suddenly drops. Short wave. This is gradually increases to 5 volts, gradually drops, gradually increases, gradually drops, gradually increases, gradually drops. These waveforms are required in the digital instruments in electronics. You will learn in higher standard, children. Now let us know the assignment. This is the end of first practical. Let us know the assignment work. Children, assignment number 1 on practical number 1. Which type of electrical energy is more useful and why? Answer for this is AC type of electrical energy is more useful because it can be converted into DC very easily, and it can be sent over the lines very easily for a longer distance. That is why it is more useful than DC. Where do you find both type of electrical energy in your house? Answer for this question, children. You find AC in the switches and sockets of your house, DC in the batteries. How much electrical energy is supplied to you and why? DC electrical energy of 220 volts and 5 to 15 amperes of current is supplied to your house because it is the basic need of our life. Why the supplied energy is uniform throughout the country? It is because anywhere, any device manufactured by anyone must work in any corner of the country. How do you test and measure AC voltage? You can test by the tester and measure by AC voltmeter or digital multimeter. Draw a graph of 200 volts flows indefinitely. Voltage 200 time infinity. Draw graph of 3 volt cell functions for 5 hours. Draw the symbols of cell, AC, switch and conductor. Thank you, children.